Subscribers, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am gonna do saltfish and butter bean. This is a simple recipe and it is ideal if you do not want to eat any meat. Now over here I have 1 tin of butter bean, drain. Saltfish, excess salt remove. So I boil the saltfish for 5 minutes, then I discard the water and then boil it again for 5 minutes. Discard the water, rinse it with tap water, and then I shredded the saltfish. And this is not the boneless saltfish. I do not like the boneless saltfish. So you can use other saltfish if you want, whether it is boneless or not. It doesn't really matter. And over here I have some, well, it's actually 1 tomato slice, and it's 2 small hot peppers. They're not really hot, so I use 2, and 1 small onion slice and 1 clove garlic. Now the garlic is optional, but I like to cook with the garlic. Here I have about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil on low heat. So I'm gonna saute the vegetables into the oil until they are translucent. So now I'm gonna add the saltfish. And I'm gonna allow the saltfish to saute about a minute or 2 before adding the butter beans. And you know, you can have it like this. We call it cook up saltfish in Jamaica, but I'm gonna add the butter beans to it, making it extra dandy. So now I am gonna add the butter beans. Stir it gently because you don't want the butter beans to like break up. So I'm gonna sprinkle around ½ teaspoon of ground black pepper. Give it a gently stir. So I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of ketchup to this. This is optional, but I just want a little ketchup on mine. And remember, it is on low flame. So I am going to cover the pot and just let it simmer for around a minute or 2.